Okay, number 20. We got the graph of f of x here. We want to arrange the following from smallest to largest. Um, let's see. I'm looking at 0, 1. Remember, a slope of 1 is 45 degrees. That slope is 1. Horizontal line slope is 0. And everything on this curve is positive. So the number 0 will be the smallest. Then we got looks like the slope at C. Okay. So I'm gonna say slope at C, and then a little steeper, slope at B. And then we've got the slope at A is this steep, but then we got the slope of AB is right in between. So slope of secant AB, and then we got the slope at A. Okay, so, and then we forgot 1. 1's in there somewhere. Let's see, 45 degrees that's steeper than 45, and that looks like it's less. So 45 is, kind of right in between there, it looks like. So I'm going to put 1 right in between AB and A. Making sure, I'm just counting, making sure I got them out. Okay, does that make sense? All right, as always, if you have questions or need further clarifications, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, 21. This figure gives the position of a particle at time t. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to read that. Gives a position at time t. Lists the following in order. The A is the average velocity from 1 to 3. Okay, so from 1, that's going to be that. That's A. B, the average velocity between 5 and 6. So there's 5 and there's 6. So the average speed would be, or the average rate of change, average speed is, let me draw it through them. So this is A, slope of that guy, slope of that guy. C, the instantaneous velocity at 1. So here's 1. That's the slope of the tangent line right there. And it sure looks like it's doing something like that, doesn't it? So this might be kind of rough to see by the time I draw these in here. So it's going to be like, looks a little steeper than A. D is the instantaneous velocity at 3. So that's going to be that tangent line. D. E, the instantaneous velocity at 5. It's going to be that one. And the instantaneous at F, or at 6 is F. So that's going to be, looks like, oops, it's kind of, boy, that's just a tough one to draw in there. Sorry about that, with these other ones to get it. So it looks, the question is, it looks like it's like that, sort of. So we're going to go with that. So from smallest to largest. So we got to remember, smallest is the most negative. So the most negative would be the steepest. I'm going with F, then B, then I wrote 5 here. That would be E. Sorry about that. E, then D, then let's see, A is not as steep as C. That's the order that I'm going to go with on that guy. I'm just checking and making sure that it looks like that. So most negative, next FB, then E, then D is the shallowest positive, then the secant line, and then C. Yep, so we'll go with that. Alright, let's take a look at 24. A ball is tossed in the air from a bridge, and its height in feet above ground is given by this. How high is the ground above the bridge? Okay. Let's see this. How far behind is the bridge? Okay, you know what? This is going to take, actually, this is going to take longer. And I don't want to make the video too long. So let's go ahead and jump and do a different video on this guy.